The course is structured to divide learning between building our weather app and a series of simple, or toy apps designed to illustrate key Android concepts. The first of the applications is literally a toy app. The app displays a scrolling list of generic toys with what we hope are non-copyrighted names, a sort of toy wish list. We start by using the new project wizard in Android Studio. The wizard will create all of the files for us to get a simple, functional Android application. Let's call it Favorite Toys. Next, we provide a corresponding domain name, which generally should be the name of an internet domain that you own. As you can see in the wizard, Android uses the Java standard of using the elements of the domain in reverse order to construct the application package name. For distribution purposes on Google Play and elsewhere, this package name must be globally unique across all packages installed on Android. Since we're not planning to publish favorite toys, and it will be helpful if it matches the GitHub repository, please use android.example.com as your domain. Finally, choose a location for your project. Next, we'll select the form factors that favorite toys will run on, phone and tablet. One of the great things about learning Android development is that this knowledge applies to apps written for phones and tablets, TVs, watches, and almost certainly other form factors we or others haven't created yet. In this class, we're going to be focusing on building applications optimized around phones to keep things as straightforward as possible. Then we select Empty Activity. There are lots of choices here, though. Android Studio contains templates for many different kinds of activities, including common types, such as a basic activity with a floating action button, a navigation drawer activity, or even a Google Maps activity. We then can customize our new empty activity. Since we want backwards compatibility and that initial layout file, we'll leave both of the options checked. Click Finish and we'll have the shell of an Android app to start working in.